Namaste and welcome to India Yoga online learning. We will going to explore one of the powerful pranayama known as Nadi Shodhana. It's also called as alternate nostril breath. In some school we call Nadi Shodhana, Anuloma Viloma, different names but the same practice. It's one of the basic pranayama to begin with, which is the different stages can be progressed to. And one of the powerful practice for many stress-related health problems. Someone is working under stress, anxiety, depression, or people with a lot of fear. The stage fear, phobia, it's all one of the wonderful practice to overcome. And it is also another great work it does. It improves our lungs capacity. And a consistent, regular practice unknowingly improves our lungs capacity. Nadi Shodhana is a great practice to calm down the mind and which helps us to overcome short temper. And it is one of the powerful practice for people who have a fear. And this can be practiced to balance high blood pressure, low blood pressure, other respiratory related problem with a proper guidance. And also it is very helpful if regularly practiced in the right pattern to overcome vertigo, epilepsy, and migraine, tension, and can be practiced by people with a heart problem during the pregnancy, also during the menstruation. Remember one thing you have to keep in your mind: no retention during this. Otherwise, it is one of the powerful practice for them, and it is also a great preparation for meditation. That's one of the powerful practice, Nadi Shodhana.
Right. It's a complicated word, right. The thing is, each one of us, we think we are doing right. But remember, many times when we do Nadi Shodhana, we force ourselves to do it. That should not happen here. To get the free movement, first and most important thing, making sure your spine uplifted and get in a meditative position. You can naturally use Padmasana if you are comfortable. That's how it looks like this. Sometimes this is difficult for many people. In that condition, we will go to Sukhasana, also called as easy pose. And even this is difficult for some, its knee hurts after a few minutes. In that condition, initial stage, you can also sit in another asana called Vajrasana, or folded leg position, or sitting on our heels. These are the easy way to sit in the floor. In this, some of us, we are not able to sit in the floor. This time, we can use also the chair. Only most important thing is spine should be remain uplifted. Then you can choose whichever position comfortable for you. Then prepare yourself. The next part is the hands. The placement of the hands, the left hand can comfortably placed on your left thigh. Very relaxed and place it, and left shoulder is relaxed. The right hand goes with the Nasika mudra. Fold your index and middle finger. The ring finger and small finger together and thumb stays alone, that is called Nasika mudra. And sometimes it is difficult for some people. We can also use Nasika Agra Mudra, that is how it looks, and you are just touching the middle finger and the index straight. After that, making sure your shoulder relaxed, the neck is relaxed, face is relaxed, the breath flows naturally and effortlessly. That once you are ready with it, gently close your eyes. Once you close your eyes, then softly draw your Nasika Mudra into the nose. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. and inhale smoothly and continuously through the left nostril as long as you comfortable. Then close the left nostril with the little finger and ring finger and retain the breath as long as you comfortable. Never force here. After comfortable retention within your limit, slowly open your right thumb and release the exhalation through the right. After exhaling completely to the right, again inhale through the right. There is no force again. Smooth, mindfully. Retain the breath with closing both the nostrils as long as comfortably you can, which is again effortless retention. Then once you are ready, slowly open your left nostril and release smoothly and steadily through the left within your own speed. Okay. Then continue that for few more rounds. You can repeat around 5 to 10 minutes initially, and as you progressed, you can go up to around 15 to 20 minutes in a stretch. After completing your practice, you must remain closed eyes and release the hands and witness that quietness. The practice takes you unknowingly into the meditative stage, where you can experience the complete quiet mind and effortless breath. Hardly you can see your breath, and body stay still. Experience it around 5 to 10 minutes. It is called mauna or silent sitting, first stage of meditation. Once that completes, and always you have to open your eyes with few gentle blinks and look straight down to the floor. Then always remember, when you're working on this, we should not rush with it. And there is your numbers and ratios and other things. It is not initially important. Any condition you force your breath to stay long to retain, after 2-3 rounds you start yawning. You get tired. You start not enjoying, you start hating your practice. That should not happen. That is all signals of you making some mistakes in your practice. After each time in your practice, you feel much more relaxed, much more present, and very energetic. That is what is the symbol of right practice. Keep in your mind always that. And it's one of the most important things is not just doing once, it's consistently continuing. If possible, you can repeat multiple times. Only requirement is empty stomach. Oh, you have a 1 minute or 2 minutes. Why not? You can do it. If you're traveling in a car for some time, you can do that, not a problem. You can just try this. Or you're sitting in the office chair, try this out. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, no problem. You can repeat that. And that's where the beginning of this journey. And Nadi Shodhana can take you in much bigger and much deeper in future. And always remember, we have to work with this step by step, gradually, not in days, not in a weeks. It's a months to years in a stretch. Then you experience an amazing transformation as a person. Always remember, practicing India Yoga is one of the key aim is this. Okay, being ourselves healthy. Learn right. Practice consistently. Health and happiness is yours. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.